What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and we back again with another video, man. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to basically get a nice, healthy, and shiny waves. Just basically make your hair overall, you know, become more healthier and shinier in the summer, you know, while y'all waving up while the summer is lasting. So I got this special bottle right here. I got this when I went back, you know, on my vacation. I got this on vacation when I was in Louisiana. If y'all ain't know, I did record some footage out there, but it didn't come out to what I wanted and expected it to be. So, you know, they got thrown in the trash. Simple. But we right back again anyway. Yeah, so boom. I got this out there for about $10 from this little thing called Essence Festival. If y'all never heard of that, it's called Essence Festival. You know, you can look it up. It's an argan oil, hair growth sermon, strawberry scent. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all my hair right now, fresh off the washing style, and we're gonna throw some of this in there and show y'all how shiny my hair again. I'm gonna show y'all my hair looking after this washing style. This right here is the bottle I'm using, man. Just so y'all can get a close up. You know, it's a spray bottle. This is what's the name on there. You know, all that good stuff right there. Stuff in the back, ingredients. Just like that, man. But I'm gonna show y'all what it do for my hair and how I make my hair look. All right, y'all. So first things first, what we gonna do is go ahead and unrag, as usual, and make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to 100 likes on this video. Y'all been real unactive. I don't know if my video's been hitting y'all sub boxes or what's been going on, but I need y'all to get real active on this video, man, because we back again with another banger. And make sure y'all go tune into the review videos. If y'all, by the way, if y'all want to get any of the do-rags that I have on, any do-rag that y'all ever see me with, y'all can go get it. Link down in bio to go get you a do-rag, and automatically it's gonna give you, you know, 5% off on whatever purchase you do, as long as you click the link in the bio, add something to your cart, and check out. You're gonna get some percent off, plus whatever deals they got going on, whatever promotional deals they got going on, plus my discount. So y'all go do that. You know, that's linked down in the bio, so y'all can get any do-rag and brush. They got brushes on there. Just go check them out, man. Go run through the website real quick, come back to the video, finish watching, do what you gotta do. This is fresh off a washing style. Alright, so as y'all can see, I'm fresh out the rag. I need a brush session. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna spray some of this stuff in my head. Make sure you get it all over. It comes out in little squirts, so you know, get it all over. Not too much though, because you don't want your head, like, you know, you don't want to be dripping too hard. And then you just go in with your brush session. Alright, so now you want to just go fix your crown real quick. You know, after you fix your crown, you want to go in with that plastic bag. Now I got a video coming for the crown real soon, so I'm working on it, and I ain't show y'all me fixing my crown yet because it's something I want to do for a separate video. So I'm not gonna show y'all in these videos. Y'all gonna just see, you know, the other parts. Y'all can't see that part because that's gonna be a whole nother video. Once my crown lock in, I get it locked in the way I want it to lock in, which is, you know, it's already coming in. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I got it that way after the fact, you know, because right now it's in the works. I want to make sure it works first before I, you know, push it out and let y'all see. So yeah, you just going with the plastic bag, lay it back down, throw on that do-rag. You already know what's the rest from there. Double compress if you got to, if you woofing. And that argan oil, I'm telling you, is something serious. You can also use a regular oil, olive oil, but I really recommend y'all try to find some argan oil. Like that argan oil is something different. I might start getting products with argan oil in it because ever since I've been using that product, it's been way different than the olive oil for me. Don't get me wrong, the olive oil works, but you know, you always want to try something new to test out your hair and see what it likes. And so far, honestly, I feel like that argan oil has been changing my ways and it's been helping me out a real lot. So I'm finna try to get some more argan oil products, or argan oil products like sort like that, you know? Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know, like argan oil, you know, argan, you know, they got products that's different than the actual olive oil. I mean the argan oil. Alright y'all, so pretty much now you want to just pretty much rag up, you know. Also in the steps, you don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We close to 4,000. At 4,000 subscribers, we are having a giveaway. So tell your friends, tell your partners, go cut their hair, get us to 4,000, and we're going to have a fat giveaway for y'all, man. It's going to be even bigger than last time. Not just 2 brushes and 2 do-rags. It might be multiple brushes and multiple do-rags. Y'all never know, so just stay tuned. It might even be some gift cards. Y'all never know. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, rag up, and you're going to see the results. Y'all already see the results right now with, you know, me just laying it down with the plastic bag with this olive oil, argan oil. I keep saying olive oil because I used to use the olive oil a lot. So now we just switching off products. You know, we got to get used to saying this. You know, they also have other argan oil, you know, creams, stuff in shampoo, other stuff like that I'm finna get off into, and, you know, just switch it over, man. It don't hurt to switch over every year or every 6 months to a different product, man. To try something new for your head, to see what works for you. So right now I'm on this argan oil, and I'm finna start getting all different products that's argan oil, you know, related. Do whatever you can, man. But no, let's really get it to 100 likes, man. I want to see how active y'all is. Y'all ain't been active lately, man. Y'all ain't tuned in to none of my reviews. I done gave y'all, you know, discounts and stuff like that. Like I said, link down in bio to get discount on, you know, 5% off on that website. That's gonna be linked down by. I know I put my do-rag on, you know, Cricket. It don't even matter at this point. I just need y'all to go hit the link in the bio, check out the website. Y'all gonna get 5% off brushes, do-rags, anything on the website, plus whatever discounts they got going on. And just tune in to my last 2 reviews, man. Go tune in. I got that brush, you know, y'all can get that brush on Amazon. I got the do-rags y'all can do, you know, the link gonna be in the link is gonna be in the bio. Y'all can go check them out, man. Go tune in with my last couple videos, man. You know, if y'all get, every time a video gets to 1,000, if y'all ain't noticed, I won't drop another video until it gets to 1,000. That's my mark, man. But eventually I'm gonna have to drop a video regardless, because, you know, I gotta keep pushing out content even if it don't hit 1,000 or not. But yeah, man, y'all go push some other videos to 1,000 and we're gonna run it up. Gang.